I'm in a house. I'm in a house. I'm in a house. This is my floor of my house. Hi everyone, this is Katie and this is my life with VEDS or vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Happy New Year, happy 2022. May this year be better than last year and the year before. There are a lot of exciting things for VEDS coming up this year, and I have to say I am really excited for those things, and I hope that you are too. We'll get through this together, but clinical trials. I have a list of things here that you can look forward to this year or watch out for this year, and I started writing this list and then I just kind of kept writing clinical trials down. So my list is clinical trials will start enrolling this year, I think. At least one of them will, according to their news announcement. That's the A2 Biopharma clinical trial for AR101 or enzastaurin. If you haven't already seen that announcement, I will put it in the description down below. I'll put a link to that announcement. They just got IND approval from the FDA a couple weeks ago, which means they can move forward with this clinical trial with approval from the FDA. Very exciting stuff. So that's one thing I have here on my list. And then this year really feels like a mobilization into clinical trials, right? Like we have this clinical trial coming. We have another one in the works by Acer Therapeutics. And in order for these clinical trials to be successful, we need enough people to enroll in them. That means that this is a year for mobilization. This is like 2022 is going to be exciting. When these clinical trials start enrolling, I am so excited to get enrolled. Like I am ready. I hope you are ready. It's gonna just be a really exciting time. I was thinking about this, and I don't think that we've ever actually had a clinical trial for VEDS in the United States. We do have a natural history study, and we have a lot of other studies, but I don't think we've had a clinical trial for a treatment for VEDS in the United States ever. Correct me if I'm wrong, I would love to see that, but I think this is the first one, and it's very, very exciting to have a pharma company ready to put forward this money for a clinical trial to find out if this treatment works. I am very bubbly about it. The next three things on my list are clinical trials, and clinical trials. So obviously there's not that many of them, but I was so excited I wrote it down a whole bunch of times because that is what I'm excited about. Also, the Staying Connected podcast is coming back in the spring and then in the fall again. I'm working on scheduling those interviews now. I really hope that you enjoyed last season. I kind of really loved doing this as a season. It gave me time to really, focus on interviews and then focus on getting those episodes together, and also allowed me to do more of them in a shorter period of time. If you're interested in being on the podcast and sharing your story with VEDS, go to translucent1.blog and put in your contact info and I'll reach out to you. I think now I'm booking into the fall, so very exciting stuff. I really hope you enjoyed those. I'm going to be making more content this year from those videos. I think I have some ideas about compiling these wonderful interviews with people and across common themes, right? You can look forward to that. I've also told y'all I'll be uploading the previous podcast episodes, just the audio files, so you will get those. Those are taking a little longer than I expected. I've been in the middle of a move, and it takes a little while to sit down and listen to the whole episode and get the closed captioning done. I could just upload it and let YouTube do the automatic thing, but then it changes VEDS to VETS or FEDS or BEDS, and that's not quite what we're going for. So I do like to try and fix those things before I upload a video, and hopefully that's helpful for you. And if it's not, just tell me and I'll stop doing it and I'll just upload it as it is. But I really want this content to be useful for y'all. So I really think that's it, honestly. I just wanted to say Happy New Year. I want to know what you're excited about for this year. If you want to throw that in the comment section of this video, I would really love to hear it. I hope you're excited as much as I am about these clinical trials coming up. It's just a huge opportunity for us as a community to band together and get this research done and get answers, and we're in this together. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. I love you all, and I will see you soon in a clean, dry place.